Hi writers, today is an exciting day. I hope that you have a list of topics ready that you want to write about, because today we're going to pick one of those topics off your list and start our All About book. So watch me as I do it, the steps for the All About book, and then I'll invite you to try it today. So the first thing you need to do is think about the topic you want to write about. And I'm going to pick yoga off my topic chart. Remember my chart from yesterday? So my topic is yoga. And then, now that I know my topic, I need to say all the things that I know about yoga. And I'm going to use my fingers to help me keep track. So I know that yoga is good for you. And I also know that you need to dress in comfy clothes for yoga. I know that you need a mat or a blanket to do your yoga on. And I also know that you need to do nice, good breathing, deep breaths when you do yoga. So I just said 4 things that I want to tell about yoga in my All About book. So now I need to get my paper ready. That means I need 4 paper pages for my book. And now I'm going to touch across the pages. Remember, writers, how we touch across the pages to tell our ideas? So now I'm going to touch the pages and I'm going to say, okay, so my All About book about yoga. Yoga is good for your health. You need comfy clothes to do yoga. You need a mat or a blanket to do yoga. And it's important to take deep breaths in and out when you do yoga. Great. So now I touched across the pages, and I'm going to do a quick sketch of my ideas on each page so I don't forget those 4 ideas I want to tell about yoga. After I write my quick sketches, then I'll go back and write words to match my sketch. Awesome. Do you see what I did there, writers? I did the steps for writing an All About book. So I thought of my topic, then I told my ideas out loud and tapped on my fingers. And then I touched across pages, my ideas out loud, and did a quick sketch of each idea so I don't forget my ideas. And then step 3 is to go back and write words. So I'm inviting you to try that today, writers. So you're going to need to get your paper ready and your writing utensils ready in your writing spot, and then start to write. Now remember, we set a timer for 10 minutes of writing, and when that time's up, we put our things away and we come back the next day and keep going. If you finish an idea during those 10 minutes, you can start a new book. So you might have another idea, another topic, and you can start a new book. And remember, when the time is up, then you put it away. So if you finish before the time is up, make sure you keep writing. Writers, writers, writers are we. Writing sets our minds free. Adventure, stories, things we know. Oh, the places our writing will go. Oh, the places our writing will go. I'm excited to see your writing. Have fun, writers.